Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Afras from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will see some more options in dimension units. As you can see here, dimension text are not visible for me. When I am going to zoom in, these text are visible for me, but when I will zoom out, these text are not visible for me. You can zoom in or zoom out by mouse scroll button. When you will scroll downward, it will be zoom in, and when you will scroll back, it will be zoom out. Okay, so let's see how we can change this setting. For that, I will go into the dimension. So the command is D, so I will press D here. As you can see here, dimension style, so I will click on this one. This window will be appear. Again, I will go into the modify. From here, I will go directly into the text. So here you can see as text height. So now it is 0.18. Our default text height is 0.18. So I will change it to some 3 units and I will press OK. Then I will press set current. Then I will press close. Now you can see here dimension text are visible for me. But here on side you can see these arrow are also not visible for me. To change this setting, I will go directly again into the dimensions and then modify. Then I will go into the symbols and arrows. From here I will just change the arrow size, some 0.18 to 3. Again I will OK this one, then set current, and I will close this one. Now you can see this arrow is visible for me. Now I will just draw here the rectangle of 30 by 20. So first I will take the command as line. Okay, I will enter here L, then I will press enter. Then you can see here it is asking about specify first point. So first point I will specify here. Now I will give the unit of 30 units. Okay, that is the length. Okay, then 20 unit upward, that is the breadth, and then again 30 unit, and then again 20 unit. Now I just want to give the dimension here. So I will just give the dimension, for example, dimension to this one, dimension to this one, dimension to this one, and dimension to this one. Okay. Now look closely. Dimension lines are just connected with shapes. So how we can get rid of these options? Again I will go into the dimension. I will just enter D and then I will press enter, and I will go into the modify, and again I will go into the lines. From here I will just select this one, fixed length extension lines. Okay, I will check this one and then I will press OK and then set current and then close. Now you can see that dimension and the shapes are separate right now. So these are very basic options in dimension. We will do advanced setting in later lesson. I hope you understand this session. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.